In this training module, you'll learn how to syndicate Word docs. So there are 3 Word documents that we create for Word doc syndication. One is called with codes, one is no codes, and one is the stockhouse version. So let's begin by preparing the base document. What you want to do is copy the exclusive articles from our website and paste it onto one of our disclaimers. So we'll use this energy one as an example, and just copy it all the way from the title down to the end of the disclosures onto our disclaimer here. So since this is an energy article, I'm using an energy disclaimer. Different reports have their own disclaimers. So from here, I'm going to delete a few things. I'm going to delete this stickers paragraph. I'm going to delete this company's mentioned paragraph. And I'm going to delete these italicized pull quotes. They look nice here on the website. There are these things here. But they don't really fit in with our Word doc format. So we will delete these. They appear elsewhere in the interview, so there's no need to have them in a Word doc. Next, I'm going to put some hyperlinks in here. I'll go back here, and in the source field here, not here, but here, underneath the source field, oops, I'm going to hyperlink to the article itself, the interview itself, which is this link. Make sure that's hyperlinked. Spacing there, and I'm going to hyperlink this source, the energy report. Just to the energy report itself. So we'll call this base document with codes. So your naming convention is the interviewee name, the word interview, w-cos.doc. And please note that it must be saved in Word 97 2003 format so that subscribers with older software can read it. Save it in the company share editorial content syndication folder. And that is the Word doc syndication for with codes. Next, let's create the stockhouse version. Now, the stockhouse version is the same as the with codes version with one addition. So we'll open up the cover letter that somebody from the team is going to send. Looks like this. We'll get a for additional comments paragraph here. Copy that and then paste it into the with codes document above want to read more. So keep the source formatting because this needs to be in Times New Roman 12, the full text of the article, and the title needs to be in Times New Roman 18. So once you add that for additional comments paragraph, save this version as interviewee interview with codes _ stockhouse. And that's the stockhouse version. The third version is the no codes. Now in a no codes, you will need to remove all references or allusions that may be considered promotional to specific companies within the article. Check the title, check the summary, check the text. Remove the for additional comments paragraph as well as the disclosure, but leave the disclaimer. Some sections may be needed to be slightly rewritten. Check with a supervisor to approve any significant changes to the summary or the title. And if you're new to this, just to check the no-code version, send it to somebody else for their eyes too. Now save this version as, in this case, Steve Hansen interview -nocodes.doc. And those are your 3 versions. The second part of this is prepping the cover letter. Now somebody from the team is going to send this cover letter, and this is the teaser paragraph here with the date and the report. So what you'll want to do is copy this and then paste it into either a template that you have, or you can use the an HTML Word converter, because this Word needs to be converted to HTML to retain the links, to retain the bolding, the spaces. So we have this converter that we use. So let's paste the main part of the cover letter into here and then convert into HTML. Now add the following line to this. Please see attached Word document, or look below for HTML tagged content. And then onto the end of this cover letter, which I'll just copy into this for now. For each version, we're going to want to copy and paste the whole thing and create an HTML tagged version. So when we send this out to our syndicators, we're going to send them the Word doc itself that they prefer and an HTML tagged text that runs underneath the cover letter. So let's do that. So put that to review. I'm going to convert that to HTML, copy that, go back to review, copy that again, and convert it again to get this ASCII code. So I'll convert it twice, once to HTML and once again to get this. Let's save this onto here. Just needing a blank document, so I'll do that. Okay, now that we have this and our Word document, we're ready to send it through the back end or through content editors, as it's called. So in content editor, go here to syndicators, the left-hand column, click there, and click on the mailing list that you want it to go to. So if I was going to send the Energy with Coast first, I will click Energy with Coast, search, send email to this list. Under subject, I'm going to put, here's the latest article for posting from whatever report. So I'll put, here's the latest, not lastest, but latest for posting from the energy report. This doesn't have to be coded. Choose file to attach. I'll send, since I'm doing energy with Coast first, I'll attach that document here. And into the body, I will attach this. So this is the document, or this is what we created with a cover letter plus the HTML tag document with the phrase, please see attached Word document or look below for HTML tag content. So I'll do that into there, say that that's attached already. Submit. Do a test send to yourself first. You do that by test send, and make sure that all the links are working and it's how you want it to look. And once you've tested it, you can find your test here under email def. Here it is. You see it hasn't been sent yet. And when you're ready to send it for reals, it looks the way that you like, go ahead and press live send. You'll then see a message informing you that your email has been queued and will be sent within half an hour. So use this procedure for the with codes and the no codes version. The Stockhouse version is sent from your own Streetwise email address. Copy and paste the cover letter, attach the Stockhouse document, and input, here's the latest article for posting from the, in this case, Energy Report as the email subject, and then send that to publish@stockhouse.com. So to recap, the with codes and no codes are sent through Content Editor using this system, and the Stockhouse version is sent directly to Stockhouse as an email from your own Streetwise email address. And that is how we syndicate Word docs.